What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good evening, and welcome back to two more videos which I just had to make. One on reserve rights, and then afterwards we'll talk about Eternity Chain in the next video. But I had to talk about RSR2, or reserve rights, crypto that has been massively bullish over the last month because they are launching their protocol, I believe in like 2 weeks, a little bit less, I'm not sure, it's on their Twitter. But yeah, I mean, last month has been pretty bullish, as you can see. Went up from a bottom of half a cent to today, where at least on Binance we touched 1 cent. And as you can see, that was all expected. Last analysis, I received a comment from, yo dude, check it out, you were right, we got to those levels. So that's great. I mean, always when I do an analysis, I say things like these, but it's always a little bit risky, right? Because I'm not 100% sure if we're going to reach this level, but I said that if we could actually hold these levels, and we did. I mean, you can just see, if you delete this, you can just see this bullish momentum. We were holding this 28 EMA. Usually when you, which is the blue line, if you're holding that during over 5-6 days, that's really bullish. We didn't even touch the 50 EMA, the red line. So I thought we would be able to break out above 850 and get up to 1 cent, which is what we did. So now it gets really interesting. But before that, I wanted to quickly check out, the launch event is the 10th of October. I would definitely check that out if I were you. I might be checking it out too. Reserve rights, as you can see, has been on my watch list for quite a long time. I think this is a huge project, huge crypto. Still has a lot of growth. It already has quite a high market cap, but I still think we can actually become a top 50 token and stuff. Great volume, so definitely check that out. I'm not being sponsored to say this, but yeah, I genuinely think it's a great project, and I know a lot of you think so too. I know a lot of other people have RSR on their watch list too. But yeah, enough rambling. Let's actually talk about the price, because I said that this is the most interesting part, and that is because you can see that at 950 there's this resistance level, and then you obviously have 1 cent, and then you get to the next resistance level at around 1.1 cent, and around that, like 1.15 and 1.05 cents. So the thing is can we get to those levels? And to me, it seems like the most likely scenario. I mean, we have to get back a little bit, because as you can see, this resistance level around 950 is in reality a little bit bigger. And in reality, I don't think we're going to break above that now. I think we're going to drop back down to 850. And if we can actually hold 850 for like 3 days, then I think we're going to get that move up to 1.1 cent. And to be honest, after breaking 950, but to be honest, it might be wild to say, but I think we're going to reach that either way. You know, we might actually spike down a little bit lower towards 800. I still think we're going to reach 1.1, and we might even reach higher. But yeah, I'm just really bullish on RSR, and I think we got a lot of momentum, and I think like the news is this big, and right now we only had, well, we had an 84% move, which is not nothing, but I think it deserves a little bit more. So yeah, I'm still expecting some more bullish moves, some more bullish momentum, but it kind of depends on whether we can hold 850 or not. So I will be back with more updates soon, but this is my take on it for today. So if you do have any questions about it, make sure to ask me down in the comments. And if you enjoyed it, if you think it's valuable, make sure to subscribe. Helps me out a ton. So for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Have a great weekend, and bye.